Bob Dressler. I'm one of the product experts here at eComfort.
And I'm Chris Zitko. I'm the other product expert here.
We're here today to talk about the Ecostyle radiators and how they mount to the wall. All Ecostyle radiators come with brackets like this, different sizes for different size radiators, and it'll come with at least 2, sometimes 3 or 4, depending on the width of the radiator. To install these, there are 2 different mounting holes, one on the bottom, one on the top, and you want to level that across to the 2 different radiator brackets. And at that point, you bring your radiator up to the wall and you put the bottom of the radiator into the bracket on the bottom of the bracket. And you really only need to push against the wall, and it's a spring-loaded mount, and it'll snap into place just like that. And it holds the radiator, and there isn't a whole lot of weight to these radiators. And that's basically all you have to do to mount them.
So just as a reminder, once again, most of these units are only going to come with 2. We do offer more if you do wish to purchase more. Yes, we recommend that you put these in studs. You don't have to have them symmetrical. You can have them however far apart you need to have them so you can get them into studs. Last thing too is just as a reminder for the bottom of the unit, there is a little slider right here. Make sure that when you're putting it in, you clip it into the little slider, because if it's not clipped into the little slider, sometimes it can wiggle or it can fall out.
Thank you.
Have a great day. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, send us emails. We're definitely here for you.